Open ChatGPT right now. Ask it for the best tools or services in your industry. Notice something? Your brand isn't there. If you're a small business owner in 2026, this is a problem because more and more people are skipping Google entirely and asking AI directly. ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, they want answers, not 10 blue links. And right now, AI is recommending your competitors, not you. Here's why. AI models pull from the same place Google does: articles, blog posts, SEO content. The brands that publish consistently and rank well get cited by AI. The ones that don't get ignored. Most small businesses are losing this game without even knowing it. You're not on Google's first page, you're not in ChatGPT's answers, and you have no idea how to fix either. I'm going to show you the exact tool I use to fix this. It's called Outrank. You give it your website, it analyzes your niche, finds the keywords your competitors rank for, and starts publishing one SEO-optimized article on your blog every single day. Properly structured with images, internal links, in your voice. After a few weeks, those articles start ranking on Google. After a few more, AI models start citing them. Your brand starts showing up in ChatGPT answers when people ask about your industry. This isn't theory. Outrank has already secured over 10,000 ChatGPT mentions for businesses on the platform. Aiden from AIapply.co said the biggest visible shift after using Outrank was his brand started getting picked up in AI answers. While the articles are running, Outrank is also exchanging backlinks with other quality sites in your niche. Your domain rating climbs, which means AI trusts you more, which means more citations. Roman scaled gojiberry from a domain rating of 2 to 25 in 4 months. Dennis went from 0 to 26 in 3 months. If you're invisible to AI right now, the businesses showing up in those answers are taking your customers. Every day you wait, they get further ahead. Free trial, link in the description. Stop being invisible, start getting cited.